Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can delete your account on Squarespace. So let's get right into it. Now, you can very easily delete your account from the dashboard, and I will be showing you how you can do that. However, there are some prerequisites which you should consider, and some that you actually should, implement before you actually delete your account. Now, I'll switch over to this support article. Just to show you guys what these steps are, because there's a lot of them, so I'll just mention these through this. First, you can export the content from active sites if you want, download the invoices, cancel other subscriptions, and this one is a required step, so you need to cancel any subscriptions for Acuity Scheduling, BioSites Pro, email campaigns, Google Workspace, which if you cancel, it's just going to move to Google, and then you can cancel it from there, other member sites, Unfold, etc. So make sure you cancel your subscriptions before deleting. You also need to transfer or cancel Squarespace domains. You can transfer them away if you want to keep them, or you can lose ownership of your domain, which you can cancel and disable auto renew. And if you disable auto renew, you will need to wait until the end of your period your renewal period to actually be able to delete your account. Now, other than that, you need to take action with your website subscriptions. You can cancel them, transfer ownership to somebody else, depends on what you want to do. Then you can do a couple of different things: remove card information, tell the site owner, take action with your Unfold and BioSites accounts if you want, and then you can take action with your Squarespace payments account if you use that itself. Now, once you're done with everything there, just go to your dashboard, click on account settings, go into accounts and security, click delete account, and then from there on follow these steps outlined to actually be able to delete it. I won't be deleting it since I need this account, but that is pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.